Hey finance virtuosos! In this video, I want to break down 3 side hustle ideas that are great options for students to make some extra money. Let me kick things off with a quick introduction. Meet Jack Rains, a student who turned his passion into a money-making machine. From a simple newsletter, Jack now earns over $1,000 per sponsored post and $300 for a 45-minute consulting call. Inspired? Stick around as we delve into 3 fantastic side hustle ideas for those who are looking to rake in some extra cash. This is the Finance Virtuoso channel, where we talk about all things finance. For your daily dose of valuable information on money, business, investments, and savings, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell right now. Done with that? Then let's start. The first idea is to become a writer. You can start writing online about topics you're passionate about and eventually build an audience. This allows you to work on your own schedule and write about subjects you truly care about. Remember Jack a while ago? Jack Rains started a finance and business newsletter while he was still a student at Columbia Business School. He simply began writing emails to subscribers a couple of times a week to share insights from topics he was interested in, such as finance. Over 2 years, Jack's newsletter steadily gained more and more subscribers. Now he has tens of thousands of email subscribers lining up eagerly to read his latest essay every week. Because he now commands such a large, engaged audience that trusts him, companies are willing to pay Jack around $1,400 to sponsor a post and market their products and services to his readers. So, by regularly publishing quality content over an extended period, you can organically monetize an audience that trusts you. In addition to sponsored newsletter content, Jack also makes money from his website by offering a consulting service. Readers can book a 45-minute video call with him for $300 to ask for personalized career and business advice. So you can add value first through your writing, then sell access to more of your time and attention. This works because if someone gets value from your free content, they'll be interested to learn more from you directly. So writing boosts your authority on a topic. Here are some tips to get started. Choose a writing niche you're passionate about so it doesn't feel like work. Set a consistent publishing schedule, like 2 blog posts per week. Engage with readers by responding to comments and messages. Promote your content on social media and with friends and family. Once you have a solid readership, offer paid consulting calls. The second side hustle idea is to be a content curator. This means finding and sharing content made by others rather than creating lots of original content yourself. For example, instead of blogging, you can share links on social media to articles, videos, tools, and more that would help your target audience. The key is to add your own commentary and opinions on why you're recommending a particular piece of content. A great example of this model is Eduardo Morales, who grew an Instagram account called Pinlord from 0 to 100,000 followers simply by curating and promoting cool enamel pins made by different artists and creators. Eduardo didn't make the pins himself. He showcased great designs by others, drove engagement through fun contests and giveaways, and built a community around his shared love of pins. Once Eduardo gained a big engaged audience who enjoyed his pin curation, he could then monetize in a couple of ways. First, he sells his own branded merchandise like t-shirts. He also works directly with pin creators to promote their new releases to his followers, earning a commission for the spike in sales he drives to them. Now his account makes over $3,500 per month. So curation can be much easier up front than quality content creation. You leverage the hard work of others. By understanding visual trends and consistently showcasing great designs every day, you can quickly build an audience on sites like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. Then partner with creators to make a commission promoting their products or make your own merch once you have an engaged following. So, how do you start? Identify your niche and the platforms your audience uses. Spend time finding great content daily to share. Add your own opinions and commentary when sharing curated content. Encourage engagement through contests and giveaways. Monetize by promoting products for commission or selling merch. The third side hustle idea is to provide a niche professional service, like being a thumbnail designer specifically for YouTubers. Thumbnails are the tiny, clickable images that appear above YouTube video titles to showcase what the video is about. Great thumbnails drive more clicks and views. Dil Thomas started making gaming thumbnails while still in high school for smaller channels in his favorite niche. Over time, he mastered the design tricks for what makes an effective YouTube thumbnail. As he built up an impressive portfolio, he began getting requests from much bigger YouTubers. He now charges over $250 per thumbnail as a full-time job for major gaming channels with millions of subscribers. Another example is Matt Brighton, who made money designing YouTube thumbnails on Fiverr, a platform that connects freelancers with clients. He eventually earned over $10,000 from thumbnail design by targeting specific YouTuber clientele in need of quality thumbnails. It's a valuable skill that anyone can learn and improve at with practice. By specializing in serving a niche audience like YouTubers to start, your services become highly useful and profitable because you understand exactly what they need. Tips to get you started? Study effective thumbnails in your target niche. Recreate and improve on current thumbnails for practice. Build a portfolio and offer free samples of your work. Outreach directly to creators and offer paid thumbnail services. Raise rates over time as your portfolio and clientele grows. The key themes across these hustles are truly understanding your target audience, regularly providing value through content or services, monetizing that audience over time in ethical ways, and continually honing your craft. Side incomes require patience and persistence. But by sticking to it week after week, you can create freedom through multiple streams of passive income over the long term. Hopefully, this video gave you some new side hustle ideas to consider. Let me know which one stands out most to you and why in the comments below. Stay tuned for part 2.